What up? I'm gonna show you how to get this transmission out. It might be a part 1, part 2, part 3, I don't know. But I'm gonna definitely show you how to save some money doing it yourself. First things first, make sure you're on them jack stands. That's the obvious, but whatever. I'm gonna try to show you everything, how easy it is. Pull this baby out. My fault. First things first, take the battery off. Make sure that ain't touching nothing. Then go back over here. Disconnect the mass airflow sensor. Then come up in here. Take this baby off. You just need to pull. See if we can focus. Need to pull that down like that, and then pull up. Then this is all the stuff we need to do at the top. Got the mass airflow sensor. That one right there. Take your flathead so you can get rid of this air box. Let's get rid of this air box right now. Yeah, we definitely gotta start doing repairs ourselves because shops is raping people right now. And you go ahead and take this air box off. Like so. There go the transmission right there, if I didn't know. Whew. Next step, gotta take this baby off. This whole thing right here. I think it's getting held on by 13 mils, I think. That one right there. And, oh, that one right there. Focus, baby, focus. Well, you get the gist of it. That one right there, one on the right. And depending on if somebody messed with yours before, you might have one right here on the left, right there on my. So get you a long extension, possibly a swivel. Let's get this baby off. The reason we're taking this off because that's where those transmission bolts is at right there. You can see one right there. So they're all behind there, so let's get that off. Also though, my bad, it's a 13 mil to get those off. So you see it connects right there. You get those 2 off, boom, boom. Get those 3 off, boom, boom, boom. That allows that to come up. And then you'll be in there. Let's go to the next step after we get this off. All right. So as soon as you take that off, look how much room you got. Those bolts I was telling you about. 1, 2, 3. Maybe one goes there, but it wasn't there when I did this the first time. So, so yeah, like I was telling you, that bolt. Usually there's one down there, but mine is gone, which is easier just to get to those 2 anyway. So next step, taking the starter out. Getting held on by 115 mil. So let's take that out. Brand new starter. If I didn't know, you can buy a starter from AutoZone. So I think it's a lifetime warranty. As long as you Buy from them. You get free starters for the rest of your life. So let's go ahead. That one out.